Looking for a griddle pan for gas stove? Our kitchen appliance experts bought and tested the top 7 best griddle pan for gas stove available in 2021 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect griddle pan for gas stove for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get
starting at number 7 on our list. We have the Cuisinart Chef's Classic Non-Stick Hard Anodized 13-inch by 20-inch double burner griddle. Despite the fact that it must be hand-washed, the non-toxic coating on this aluminum griddle allows it to be used on the cooktop and in the oven up to 500 degrees. It's also the largest griddle for a gas stove on the list, measuring 13 by 20 inches. Each end of this griddle has stainless steel handles for easy lifting. The optimum performance is delivered by the slanted sides. The skillet's sloping sides enhance the cooking surface. Skillets are ideal for browning and tossing tiny items such as mushrooms. For long-lasting food release, healthy cooking, and simple cleanup, the Quintanium non-stick cooking surface is strengthened with titanium. Metal utensil safe. Great for slowly cooking minced garlic in olive oil, frying breaded pork chops, or browning sausage.
Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price.
At number 6 on our list, we have the Lodge Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Reversible Grill/Griddle with handles. The Lodge Reversible Pro Gridiron Grill/Griddle not only retains and distributes heat well, but it also fits over 2 cooktop burners. Lifting is straightforward with 2 easy grip grips, which may be clipped and hung when not in use. This grill may be used to make eggs and sandwiches, as well as grill poultry and meat. This Lodge Logic Cast Iron Grill/Griddle combo measures 20 by 10.5 inches, with a real cooking surface of 19.1/4 by 8.5 inches, making it large enough to straddle 2 or 2 beers on your cooktop. The reversible characteristic of the crowd-pleasing cooker means that you may use the easy side for cooking flapjacks, eggs, and grilled cheese sandwiches, along with the ridged grill facet for burgers, steaks, and sausages. A small incline drains fat into a generous grease gutter, as well as both loop-style handles provide secure transportation. Following the meal is completed, just wash the cast iron using a stiff brush and warm water, no soap, and dry instantly. Lodge covers the rugged griddle for gas stove with a lifetime limited warranty against flaws. At number 5 on our list, we have the Chef's Secret 5-ply stainless steel double griddle. Despite being more expensive than other griddle options, this heavy-duty Chef's Secret griddle would be well worth the investment due to its well-made 5-ply stainless steel construction, beautiful finish, and limited lifetime guarantee. Furthermore, it features an angled barrier across the edges of this gas burner griddle to prevent runny eggs, pancake batter, and other foods from spilling down the sides when cooking. Because this is a dual griddle, keep in mind that it will be cooking beneath 2 burners. At number 4 on our list, we have the Little Griddle GQ230 100% stainless steel professional quality griddle. The Little Griddle GQ230 griddle for the gas grill is the ideal barbecue grilling accessory. The GQ230 allows you to cook whole meals at once, and it'll be your go-to outdoor burner for anything from eggs and sandwiches in the morning to a Mongolian BBQ in the afternoon. It's an excellent BBQ present. Take it camping, tailgating, to the park, or just outside to grill. The GQ230 is made of 100% restaurant-grade stainless steel, making it one of the safest outdoor cooking surfaces available, unlike ordinary steel that includes lead. Surfaces, unlike ordinary steel that includes lead. The GQ230's shaped grease nicely makes cleanup a snap. Additional excellent features include the 2-inch sidewalls to keep food on the griddle for gas stove, and detachable handles for simple transportation. This professional-style griddle includes a limited lifetime warranty, guaranteed not to chip, bend or twist. Cook breakfast, lunch, or dinner at the fresh outdoors with this stainless steel grilling accessory. Keep the kitchen clean of the skillet and free of lingering scents. Cook huge meals in a jiffy and become the hit of the next tailgate party. The GQ230 is excellent for Mexican or Japanese-style parties, or simply to cook some grilled cheese sandwiches in the backyard to get a lot of hungry children. At number 3 on our list, we have the Farberware high-performance non-stick griddle pan/flat grill. This 11-inch square Farberware griddle offers a lot of value, especially for budget-conscious buyers who aren't frequent griddle users and don't need to spend a lot of money on cookware that is only used sometimes. The non-stick Teflon inside coating has a slightly textured surface that helps to reduce burn marks on food, while the griddle's outside is composed of a durable aluminum material. It may also be used in the oven up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cleaned in the dishwasher for quick and easy cleanup. At number 2 on our list, we have the reversible pre-seasoned cast iron Griddle 243. Breakfast might be sausage and sandwiches, and lunch can be grilled hamburgers. When it comes to outdoor cooking, versatility and space efficiency are key, and the reversible cast iron grill and griddle can do it all. This cast iron grill/griddle heats evenly and maintains heat efficiently, making cooking to perfection a breeze. This griddle for gas stove is pre-seasoned with Camp Chef's True Season finish, and has an organic cooking surface that's ready to use right out of the box. And finally at number 1 on our list, we have the Lodge LSRG3 cast iron single burner reversible grill/griddle. The Bungalow, the 10.5-inch single burner reversible grill/griddle, pairs one cooktop burner with a smooth side for eggs and bacon, and a ribbed side for cooking hamburgers. For searing, baking, broiling, frying, or grilling, the griddle for gas stove delivers quick, uniform heating. Induction cooktops may be used at home in the oven, on the stove, on the grill, or over a campfire. Easy lifting is ensured by two simple corner grips, which can be turned off when not in use. 10.5 by 10.5 inches in size.
Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.